Hey, what's up guys, it's Austin from Skylight Junction, and today in this video I have yet another unboxing. This one is, I actually got a pretty good deal on this one. I will tell you in a minute, so let's get started on this, shall we? Deal is this is my first ever 482 mountain type locomotive ever. I've always wanted one for a while, but I didn't know what to buy, if that made any sense. I was sort of lost. But yeah, I got this one for $91. And these things will go around like 200, maybe more. But this one, if you miscount the tax and the shipping, I got it for $91, but the shipping and the tax did go for $115, but yeah, again, $91. That is just a mind-blowing deal right there. So this is going to be the last time that I probably might film in here, because I might have posted a vlog already about it. I've already moved into my new bedroom, hopefully. I'm hoping you guys would know about that already, so yeah, this will be the last time I will film in here. Half of my collection's already been put away. They're ready to be moved upstairs, so yeah, I am really excited for it. And hopefully I'll probably get a new train table by the time this video goes out. But anyways, let's get right to it. Really excited for this one. Alright, now get my famous blade out and let's go at it. Come on, you. There we go. Alright. It's pretty easy. So here we go. Will there be any addresses in here? There may be a cut, so be prepared for that. No, I don't think so, but the box is upside down. Oh yeah, alright now. Get this out of the way. Wow. Box is in really good shape. So this is my third Spectrum locomotive by Bachmann. The first one would be the J-Class 611. The second one is the Pennsylvania K4. That one's already put away for my new bedroom. And now this. I believe this one will also be put away soon after I film this video. Not upload. But yeah. Let's get into it. We'll adjust the camera slightly. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so remove this. And look at that. Wow. Alright then. So this is looking good already. Okay, no, I guess that's the part I can take off, I hope. Alright. What's in here? Some couplings and whatnot. Okay, good. Nothing in there. Let's see what these are. These might be some diagrams or warranties and stuff. Kind of don't want to bother getting those out. Alright, now let's get the engine out. Ooh, this is going to be difficult. I don't want to tear that paper. Okay. Where do I grab it? Oh my god. Oh man, this is going to be so difficult to... So fragile. Hang on a second. Get an idea. What if I remove this? Okay. Maybe I shouldn't have done that, but... I'm really nervous. Oh, crap. Okay, I got it. Alright, I need to stop the camera here. Alright, I got the engine out. There's some spare tissue paper in the cab, so I'll get that out. And I'm sure this part just removes. Just very gently do it. Yeah, there we go. crap. Guys, look at this. Does the bell swivel? Nope, I don't think so. Okay, I'll leave it alone. Alright. Wow. That is just incredible. Oh, look. So we may get some firebox flicker there. That is awesome. Check the pickup, see if they're wonky. My K4 had a wonky pickup. And I want to make sure this thing doesn't have the same thing. So it looks like we may be good. I hope. I don't know if you can see it. That one's just been missed out of place. Hopefully that won't do much. Alright. Put this thing down. Let's look at the tender. Hopefully this is easier to get out. Oh, you're joking. It's such a tight fit, man. Alright, I'm going to have to do the thing again like I did to get the engine out. This is so difficult. There we go. Now this one has 2 plugs rather than 1, which is a little bit scarier because this is my first ever engine with 2 plugs, so I'm gonna have to plug this thing in off camera. And there's a tender. It looks kind of small compared to the locomotive, and it looks like I'll have to fix that coupling. Well then, oh well. All right, the drawbars here. Look at that. Ain't she a beauty? Alright, so I'm going to get this thing hooked up off camera and we will give it a test run. I'll be right back. Right, I got the plugs in. It's not the easiest thing to do, especially with 2 plugs, but I did get it. Looks like she's on the track. Alright, we'll adjust the camera to get a better view. Alright, there she is. Now, the couplings aren't on her, but I will see if she at least moves, so let's see if you do. And indeed you do. Well, I have to say, she was great. She might need a little bit of waking up. And look, you can see the firebox glow in there. It doesn't flicker, but I guess this model must have came out somewhere in the early 2000s. Which might make sense. But yeah. So yeah, she's a really good runner. I might let her have a little break in for a little bit, and we will see how she performs. I think the trap might be dirty there. It's probably why it stuttered a little bit. Either that or it's my cruddy track work. It might be my cruddy track work. Well, I gave it a good run around for, I'd say 5 minutes now, and remember when it was stuttered? In this spot? I think it was dirty track work. So I did clean it up just a little bit, and it's no longer stuttering anymore. So, yeah, glad it's not my faulty track work this time. And I also tried to do a little bit of research on this thing, which I haven't done in previous unboxings. Turns out this is a 7000 class, is what I read. I don't think the tender looks accurate, but I could be wrong, so... yeah, I'm not sure how accurate this is to Union Pacific's real 7000 class. But I did hear that these guys were built around 1922 to 1925. This may have been added later on during its life, but I did see that it did have a Vanderbilt tender, well, in the pictures that I saw. And it kind of doesn't look that accurate, but hey, you know, I could care less if it's accurate or not. I really do love this thing, I really do. And I'm finally happy to have a 482 in my collection, finally. So yeah, this thing's definitely a keeper. Okay, so I hooked up a little train behind this thing. It's just a train of boxcars. I don't feel like getting the rest of the cars out. And behind it, I do have a New York Central caboose. I don't have a Union Pacific caboose at the time of filming this, but I will get one soon. I just don't have very many cabooses in my collection. Alright, there we go, she's coupled up. Alright, now let's pull forward, see if there's anything uncoupled, since there's a mixture of horn hooks and knuckle couplers. Well, I don't put horn hooks on knuckle couplers, but hopefully you get the idea. So after inching forward, not a single car has uncoupled, which is good. And let's take it away. Oh goodness, look at that. Now that's awesome. Well, I absolutely love this thing, especially how cheap it is. This thing is smooth, it is silent, it is just, it's phenomenal. It's awesome. I love it. I didn't add the front coupling on because, well, I don't even know if there was another screw that came with it, but I might do it eventually. But for now, I'm not going to do it. But I just added the coupling to the tender for now, but yeah, it should be fine. But yeah, that concludes the wrap up of this video, of this unboxing. I absolutely love this thing. I'm glad this thing is my first ever mountain type locomotive, and I'm happy that this thing is a welcome addition to my collection. So yeah, so with that, thank you all so much for watching, and thank you all so much for seeing my last video in my old bedroom. And hopefully my layout will be off the floor and on the table from now on. So yeah, as this thing goes, thank you all so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody. Let's make it go at an unrealistic speed, just for once. Yeah, that's awesome. Nice.